this problem is asking me to find the tangents to this particular function called Newton's serpentine. And just because I was curious, I decided to graph it, and it looks like this. And we'll come back to this for a way to check our work. Now, it's asked me to find the tangents, which I'm interpreting as finding the equation of the tangent lines. And they want the tangent lines at two specific points, the origin and the point 1, 2. So in order to find the equation of a line, I need to find at least the slope and a point. And we know that the derivative is the same thing as the slope of the tangent line is the same thing as rate of change. So I'm going to take the derivative of y. So I want to find y prime. I better not put it there because that's just y. So it's a quotient. So I know I have u and v. So the quotient rule is uv minus uv over v squared, prime, prime. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go y prime is equal to, well, u prime would just be 4, and that's times v, which is x squared plus 1, minus u, which is 4x, and that's times v prime, which is just 2x, and that entire thing is divided by, oops, missed it, x squared plus 1 squared. Now, I could go about simplifying this. Maybe I will. I mean, why not? Let's make it a little bit more elegant. So, y prime is equal to 4x squared plus 4 minus 8x squared all over x squared plus 1 squared. So y prime is equal to negative 4x squared over x squared plus 1 squared. Nope, I forgot something. I forgot my 4. So it's negative 4x plus 4 over x squared plus 1. So I'm satisfied with that. And let's just call that equal to m, which is going to be the slope of our tangent. And I'm going to use the point slope method of finding the equation of the tangent, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So I have a slope, and I have 2 points. One point is the point 0, 0, the origin. So m at 0, 0 is going to be negative 4 times 0 squared plus 4 over 0 squared plus 1 squared. So I have, well, this is going to be 0, so I have positive 4 divided by 1 equals 4. That's my slope at 0, 0. I have the point, so y minus y1, which is 0, y minus 0, is equal to 4 times x minus x1, which is 0. So y is equal to 4x. That is the tangent line at point 0, 0. Let's find it at point 1, 2. Well, I'll go back to my equation right here. I'm going to do it up here. So, no, I'm not. Here's my equation for the slope. I want it for the point 1, 2. So I know that my x value is 1. So I have y prime equals m equals negative 4 times 1 squared plus 4 over 1 squared plus 1 squared, but I can see right away that my numerator here is going to be equal to 0, so the entire thing is equal to 0. My slope right there is 0, a horizontal tangent line. So the equation is going to be y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Well, my y minus y1 is y minus 2 is equal to m is 0 times, well, it really doesn't matter that it's 1, that it's x minus 1, because anything times 0 is equal to 0. So I have y minus 2 equals 0, y equals 2. So that is my second tangent line. And so going back to my graph, I wanted to see if it was right. I typed in the first tangent line, y equals 4x, and you can see, yes, that is a line, and it even tells me it's tangent right there at the origin, the little gray dot. That's very nice. And y equals 2, that's going to be tangent right at that spot there. So, yeah, so I'm pretty satisfied with my answers to this problem.